Good afternoon, good evening. Dave here. Coming up to you. Yeah, this whole freaking place is full of gnats. But I'm talking to you from a GoPro Max. GoPro Max. I removed the lenses, the safety lenses, because normally the safety lenses are there so that so it doesn't get scratched. Lenses don't get scratched, in case I accidentally trip and it falls on the ground. If it falls on the ground, I can kiss this camera goodbye because the lenses are very delicate. Anyways, there's a whole shitload of gnats. Luckily, I got my face mask on. Anyway, I'm doing this test on the Max because I did it on the Insta360 1R 360 edition, which means that it's going to be a reframe. Based on the fact that it's a reframe, supposed to bring the sharpness, the clarity down a bit. And in most cases I've seen in my channel section of YouTube that it doesn't show 4K. Now mind you, I've been using LumaVision, and just recently I started using Power Director. Power Director, I've been using it on the on both the computer, laptop, the little laptop windows that I have, and on my phone, the Android phone. But I have not been using it anyplace else. Other than that, I'm going to see how this GoPro Max works. I'm going to reframe this one also, but I'm going to run it through DaVinci 16. If it shows 4K, then it's very obvious that all the types of cameras that I have, basically the GoPro Max, the Insta360 1R and 360 edition, also in 4K and also in the 1-inch Leica lens, they should work on 4K. Now, on the Leica lens has been working on 4K, maybe because I did something on the settings, but I'm gonna try this out on the Leica. I'm sorry, on the DaVinci software, and I already tried the 1-inch and it works. I haven't tried the 4K, but I'm trying the Insta360 360 edition. So if that one works on the reframe on 4K, then that'd be great. And that's where I got to deal with using the laptop for Power Director, because Power Director and the laptop have been working fine. I can try all 4 cameras with the Power Director, see if all of them come out with 4K. But I'm sensing that DaVinci 16 is coming out in 4K on all the cameras now. I'm gonna check that out tomorrow when I do the reframe when I get home from work. I can't do this from here because I didn't bring my home computer or my laptop, but I just want to see how this would work out anyway. So y'all have a good weekend. Be safe, stay safe, and maintain your social distancing, and may God bless.